carpet tile for under $1 a square foot. Let's give it a shot. If you're like me, you've wondered sometimes whether carpet tile is actually worth it or not. So recently we picked up this carpet tile for under $1 a square foot, Home Depot, because we're laying some carpet in our church. This is the balcony of our church and this is the foyer, and we're getting ready to lay this area. So we thought we'd show you what it looked like before, kind of how we do it, and then what it looks like afterwards, so you can decide whether carpet tile is for you. We've already been working on another area of our balcony, and let me show you what that looks like. So this is our balcony area that we've just finished putting this carpet tile on. We just remodeled it, so we needed something, and we did not have anyone locally that actually lays carpet in churches. So we needed something manageable ourselves, something we could do, and carpet tile was a good solution. So you can see this before, what it looked like, and then the process of laying that down, and then, you know, here we are now, what that looks like. And so we're getting ready to do that foyer area. We wanted to show you what it looks like in the process, how we do it, what's in the box, the whole 9 yards. All right, so here we've got a stack of boxes with the tiles in it. When you open one up, you're going to see 16 tiles. They're 18 by 18 inches, at least if you get the ones that we got. And they have an adhesive back all over the back. I'll show you in a moment. They have the instructions inside. It's just one sheet, Spanish on one side, English on the other, but pay attention to the diagram. It shows you arrows going one way and then another way, and there's arrows on your adhesive strip on the back. The only tools that we are using in this case is a straight edge. In my case, I'm using a framing square that I picked up for $10 at a local hardware store, and we're using razor blades. And one tip, keep your fresh razor blades on there, because it'll make laying this and trimming it up so much easier, because as soon as they wear out, it gets frustrating. So we're gonna lay a few down and show you how we're doing it. So before we start laying this in the foyer, I wanted you to see the arrows on the back. That's an adhesive strip. So once you pull that off, those arrows are gone. So make sure you remember when you pull that off, what direction you've got that going. And you wanna lay it down, so if you choose this way to start with, you're gonna go that direction the next. That one over there is gonna match this one, and this one's gonna match that one. So the third one over is gonna match this one, going the same direction, and so on and so forth. This is not a perfectly square room. A lot of angles going on here. As you can see, boom, 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 around. We've got this angle going around the wall there. So we're gonna start with a full square right here and work our way over, and hopefully have a nice straight look following this, only making cuts around the edges. So let's get started. So we're all done in this room, got our trim back up, and pretty happy with it. So pretty easy to do. Anybody can do it. One of the things I really like about this is if somebody spills something and there's a stain on one or two, then you just pull those up and replace them rather than worrying about replacing the entire room. So really like that. This is not a high traffic area, so I would expect this to last a long time. And but I will give you an update maybe after a year or so, once we've worn it in just a little bit, so that you can kind of see. But really like it, would recommend it for any home room, or whether it's an office or a business or, you know, church space, whatever. Anybody can do it. Save yourself the labor cost and get these and have some fun with it. Hopefully this inspires your next flooring project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.